this exercise, we will learn the hand tool. Basically, the hand tool is used to move images in Photoshop. Okay, let's see how this tool will work. Here, we can see the hand tool. If I right-click on it, then we can see that H is the shortcut key. Basically, the hand tool works when our screen is zoomed in and we can't see the other part of the image that we want to see. Therefore, we use the hand tool to move the other part of the image to be able to view it better and work with it. For example, if I zoom in on this part of the image and select the hand tool, then we can move it around. Something like this. Okay, now we have a shortcut to move it. For example, again, let's choose the pen tool and draw a path. Now, if I want to draw another point, then we can press and hold the space key, and we have temporarily opened a hand tool. And then if I release it, we can start working on it again. This is a nice tool. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the rotate tool.